Hi bakers, I'm Crystal the Cake Lady, and with Halloween quickly approaching, I thought it would be the perfect time to share with you how I make my chocolate peanut butter Reese's Explosion Cake. We're talking layers of chocolate cake, frosted with peanut butter frosting, drizzled with chocolate ganache, and then topped with as much Reese's candy as we can fit on the top of the cake. If that sounds delicious to you, you're going to want to stick around, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. For the triple chocolate cake, you're going to need 3 8 or 9 inch pans coated in Baker's Joy, 1 cup of sour cream, 4 large eggs, 1 cup of vegetable oil, a half a cup of warm water, a box of chocolate devil's food cake mix, a large box of chocolate instant pudding, and 2 cups of chocolate chips, whichever kind you prefer. For the peanut butter frosting, we have 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 4 sticks of butter, 2 cups of creamy peanut butter, 6 cups of powdered sugar, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of whole milk. This looks perfect for spreading. I'm going to go ahead and spread it on my cooled cake now. Okay, I'm gonna let this chill in the fridge while I make my chocolate ganache. Okay, so we really only need a tiny bit of chocolate ganache for our drizzle on top. So I've warmed up 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream in the microwave until it was boiling. And I'm going to combine that with a half a cup of milk chocolate chips. You can use whatever kind of chocolate chips you prefer. And I'm gonna let that sit for 2 minutes undisturbed. Okay, now that it's sat for 2 minutes, I'm going to take my whisk and stir it around until we get that nice silky smooth ganache that we all love so much. Okay, so I've got my nice chilled cake, and we're just going to go ahead and drizzle the ganache on top. And I'm just going to use my spatula and kind of gently go around until it spills over the edge just a little bit. I do see that it's pooling at the bottom a little bit, but that's actually fine with me. I think it looks even more appetizing like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some peanut butter swirls to it. I hope you guys have enjoyed our time together today as much as I have. If you did enjoy this video, how about leaving a thumbs up? Also, please like and subscribe to my channel, Crystal the Cake Lady. And if you make this chocolate peanut butter Reese's explosion cake, I'd love to hear what you think in the comment section below. Also, I can think of some other ideas of combinations that would be great with this chocolate cake and peanut butter frosting. Maybe Snickers on top and M&Ms. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear your ideas in the comment section below. I hope you all have a happy Halloween, and until next time, happy baking.